with them. Well, that's how I like.
Just giving a warning that it's not safe up there because the last time the
tourists came through.
tourist came, yeah. And this man said we should have someone who has authority around the area.
Sean K. Yeah. Yeah, that's my name.
Bro, brother.
If the kids want to eat, they can eat. I'm saying. Are you hungry?
Yes, yes.
Kung ano yung tigisa.
Yeah, you eat? Okay, good. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. You okay? You okay? Ooh.
Money got shot.
Watch your mouth.